Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where USB device over current status detected error is encountered on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check USB with a different system. What does it mean? Try it on a different computer to check whether the issue is with the USB or the computer. And if it works with the other computer, it means that the issue is with your computer. So now you need to try it on a different USB ports because USB ports going bad is a very common issue. The next solution will be to update the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Scroll down, expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and update it and repeat it for all the root hubs. Okay. The last solution will be to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.